It's so warm. Oh my god, I love it. It's raining. I love the rain so much. It's so cozy.
These look amazing, don't they?
Look at these.
Oh my God.
Share some of these, huh?
Tenerife by night. Ready by night.
Pretty by night.
It's day 2. I just woke up and today I think it's just gonna be a lot of chilling and eating. Maybe a walk by the beach. I don't know, I'm very excited though. That's all for now.
You do.
Yeah, look at that.
Oh, the cold water pool.
To spend all day there. Look at that.
That looks amazing.
Amazing. That looks amazing. Do you want to sit here? Look at that for a view. They look like bongo. It's a pretty little place, isn't it?
That is quite tropical, isn't it?
Yeah, but the clouds. Okay. Here's the hair and makeup of the night. I've done it, it's like a claw club. I'm going to I think it's a Japanese restaurant tonight, but I might be wrong. And I'm really excited. I'm hungry. It is meant to rain again, but I think that's okay. I like the rain.
Did you hear it fly over us?
Ready?
Oh, look, the sea's receding.
Raining again. Thank you, ready? Actually delicious brownie mix. I love that. I'd like to feed the cats.
Surround ourselves with loads of cats.
I love cats.
Tell us the cats were
Look at the sunset. Or the sun. Eddie, do you want to do the outfit of the day with me? Here's the outfit. Now spin. Yay! Gorgeous-tastic.
It's just going to be 50 stone years.
Yeah, hello, cat.
Would you like a cuddle?
Right.
And married in nature.
I'm really anxious.
Something from my year. I always find that holiday always sparks obsessions.
It's day 4. Don't mind my hair, it's really frizzy today. But today I don't know what we're doing yet. But here's the outfit. It's not raining this morning, it's nice and warm, so that's fun. That looks good. What do you get?
A caramel frappuccino.
I just got back to the room. I basically didn't do anything all day. It was basically just sunbathing and reading, which was really, really nice. The sun was out today. It was so hot. It was so lovely. Okay, it is chocolate food review time. Don't mind my hair. It is so messy, but that's okay. Chocolate ASMR. It's raspberry and rose chocolate. I'm really excited to try it. I love the packaging actually. It looks really like clean and bougie. Okay, let's go. Straight in, there's a nice. I love it. It's like a mini barbecue.
Myself, I don't like to put it too much because
Yum. Look at you, Eddie, you're a chef. I was excellent chef skills.
it shouldn't have too many bones. You try to see.
Do you think maybe I could
Here's the outfit of the day. Yay. It's raining though. So, but okay, maybe it's finished. Maybe it's finished raining.
Oh yeah.
So effortless. Just have a little like
But that is just the way we get our food.
Wow.